you, Vanina. Thank you for the introduction. It is really a pleasure to hear how someone could present the other. So let me first say just the whole name of the project, because it is in the core of our debate. The text is enhancing digital citizenship. In fact, it is a 2 years lasting European project which is funded by the Erasmus Plus program, and the consortium is between 6 partners from 4 countries, very dynamic and interesting teams among all of the partners. But let me first come back to the debate, and then I will go again to the project. You will see how. So what is the pandemic echo, let's say, in the digital world? What are the effects for the digital citizens? Beyond the enthusiasm around the pushed revolution, if I may say, in the use of the digital facilities and the opportunities it gives to us to study, work, communicate, there are some dark effects, and I will focus on one of them. I want to introduce, as the head of the World Health Organization call it, the infodemic. As the pandemic spreads, so does a wave of misinformation and conspiracy theories. What is new, however, is the scale and the speed of fake news, which is happening now not only in the context of destabilization of mainstream media, even more in the context of the destabilization of democracy, but in the context of a global health emergency. There are already some preliminary findings of researchers that compare the fake news during the pandemic with this during the elections, for example. And they suggest that today more people are seeing and believed in fake news. Increased concern regarding misinformation and disinformation online highlights the importance of digital and information literacy among citizens, as Alexander, for example, began today. Even for a mature person, but especially for youth, there is a risk to become a victim of a bad information. The need of strengthening the active citizenship through activities not only in the classrooms, but also through social media is strongly recommended as an antidote, since young internet users get informed among the world mainly through internet platforms. Perhaps in this point is where digital literacy is most needed, not necessarily to distinguish the, let's say, truth from falsity, or to distinguish between the subcategories of fake news and its motivations, but to read all digital media with kind of a skeptical resilience that are generated by critical literacy. And here is where the TECT project comes, as its aims are an improved critical competence of judgments among teachers and students, and also strengthening of active digital citizenship. And I'm inviting you, those of you who are more interested in these activities, just to visit our website and see what we are proposing as a tool to handle with this problem. Thank you very much.